A little change in plan, guys. We are going
Not
to
a little, so much of change.
like whole plan is changed. Today we were supposed to go temple. Now we are going to IKEA.
IKEA.
And the surfeit.
Phone number I guess having.
We trust you, mom. That's it.
This is the
Which I would have crushed in the middle right now.
She will cook here, guys. No, clean the vegetables here. Our new home, guys. I can sleep here.
This is so fucking cute. I love IKEA for this. Like, look at it.
I like this, guys.
So pretty. The color also I like it. Look at it. I like this. I want this thing.
This thing I want. I like it. A window.
Oh, our window.
We can have our live streaming conversations here.
Because sometimes inspiration can strike at 3 a.m.
Inspiration always strikes at 3 a.m. I don't know what to do inspiration, but some inspiration. Why my room is not like this? Good. Okay? See? Nice.
For now, we have 3 more days now.
Same one only we got.
Why?
She liked it so much.
What's up? We have to paint.
Not paint, puzzle it is.
This is paint.
Puzzle.
Puzzle.
Hey, I want to play something. What is this? Nikki, how should I play?
Cut that cross.
It's not working.
The last one. Yay, you did it!
Nothing is working here.
Hey, you want to find
What I have to do now?
Puzzle! Ooh!
It is easily fourth or
Not fourth.
fifth or sixth cup.
Fifth or sixth cup. Then that's it. This not purple.
It's not purple. Okay, fine. This should have been.
This girl also I think is nice. You are the imposter. You are the imposter. He's voting me.
I am voting myself actually right now. I feel like I am the one that is their related food and all they're talking. I'm somewhere else.
East. Pizza.
East.
You heard east.
Okay, I heard direction east. East.
Chili flakes.
Oh, I wasn't the imposter. I became imposter myself. We are off to next place.
Mehfil biryani. We are going to eat the biryani, guys.
I'm going to watch them, guys.
So crowded.
So crowded.
I'm kind of scared, but okay.
Happy dance.